he's just slowing down. This is not going to be a fast lap. So the morning's work is done for Titipong too. So he'll just cruise around for this lap, because the checkered flag will be coming out in 3 seconds. So currently, Haruki Noguchi, the impressive young Japanese rider, is in 3rd position. So we just stay with Titipong for a moment, but there won't be any fireworks from him on this lap. By his standards, that's a pace that he probably rides to 7:11 on. And let's see what Aslan Shah has got. Aslan Shah has got 9th place, provisionally, unless there's any changes from the few riders yet to complete their laps. I think Adam Noureddin is one of them. And there is Adam Noureddin. Let's see if he can knock his Malaysian compatriot. And he's followed by